Our detective agency, we combine everything we learned about the black key. This time, the position is close, right hand and left hand, thumb is on middle C. First, we check which finger needs to play on the black key. You can see right hand C, D and E flat is 2 and 3 on the black key, same as left hand C. Number 2 and the 3 are black key, which is B flat and A flat. We will start, and there are a lot of combination of connecting and tap, and also running and walk, and dynamics loud and soft. Ready, set, go. Circle C, C, get louder, C, go down to F, go up one by one, C, go up and down, from F soft, C, go up and down, start from F, E, D, B, C, D, C, left hand, B, go down and up, G, C, C all the way down to F, go up one by one, to C, go up and down, back to your F, go up one by one, C, go up and down, start from F, F, E, D, C, D, C, left hand going down, B, A, G, A, B, C, F, surprise 1 and 4. Dance to summer mystery, cases of complexity, missing hand, missing cat, missing donut. We can even look at that. Louder, sing home, just before it's too soft. So you can speak any clue. Missing mystery, who should you see? Our detective agencies. Dance